produces 1,500 horsepower. Now that diesel motor is doing two things. It's doing a big air compressor to make air for the brakes, because stopping is important. And it also turns a big generator to create electricity at 600 volts direct current. And that electricity then goes to motors on each axle of this locomotive. And those electric motors are what ultimately powers this locomotive up and down the railroad. Although people commonly call this a diesel locomotive, in all actuality, it's really called a diesel electric locomotive. Up in the cab, we have our engineer Tim and his instructor Tyler. Make sure you're waiting to do the same thing for that ride they give us over here today. As we turn around, you will notice our train is still sitting on track number 1. We're going to line the turntable up with track number 2. The reason we do that is so the locomotive can run around the train. It'll go down track 2, go through a switch, reverse, and recouple to the opposite end of the train to lead us back to Grand Junction. While our engine crew and flagmen are taking the engine around to the other end, I will lead you over to our restoration shop for a short tour. Some of the other equipment you're seeing in our yard here today includes engine 710, built in 1950 for the Nashville, Chattanooga, and St. Louis Railway. Like the 1829, it too is a GP7 locomotive with 1,500 horsepower. 710 was rebuilt in the late 70s and upgraded to a GP9, however, and now produces 1,750 horsepower. And then this large crane here, number 903008, was built in 1917 by the Bucyrus Company for the Southern Railway. That crane was built with a steam power crane and converted to diesel in 1971. Crane is fully operational, and we do use it periodically for maintenance projects. The large main hoist on it is capable of lifting up to 150 tons, and the smaller auxiliary hook up to 40 tons. At this time, that does conclude our turntable demonstration. You are more than welcome to reboard the train at this time if you'd like to. If you would like to join us on a tour of our restoration shop, you can go down here, follow me to this crossing. We'll go across the tracks at the end of our train where that red flag is, and over to that large building over there where the restoration shop is.